Most people who open an English school in Asia, they tend to open and close many locations as areas gentrify. As the area gets older, you tend to open in areas with younger families with children. So eventually we opened and closed many different locations over the years. We had 4 branches at the height, as I think I mentioned in another video. And eventually I just decided that I wanted to teach at university. It was a lot easier. Opening and closing branches was always tough. You had to move things and just, lots of stuff. Basically, you're starting a new business each time. And so we had these 2 locations that were empty. And I thought, what should I do? And my brother had mentioned Airbnb. And I had thought about Airbnb before. But to be honest, I didn't believe the hype. I thought no one's going to come. But I checked out, they have an app on their website where you can check out how much money you would make. And again, I didn't believe the app. Thought it was, lying. But eventually I decided, okay, I'll fix up one room and I'll see how it goes. And I did, and it boomed. I got many guests. I offered a very discounted price, and I offered free tickets to a local hot springs, but it showed me that there was a market. So I thought, wow, there must be something to this. So keep an open mind when you're thinking about a side hustle. It's so easy to miss an opportunity and just think negatively. I think we're programmed to think negatively. But keep an open mind to things, and maybe if you can, if it doesn't cost you too much, try it out. I was thinking the downside of trying Airbnb was my house gets fixed up. I fixed up my house in order to do it. So, and it's become a very good business for me, as I've outlined in other courses. So, yeah, don't keep an open mind. You're always going to find problems. You don't have to worry about that. Problems will come. They will find you. But you'll find a way to fix them. So keep an open mind and try things out.